Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about turmeric, and I've got some specific food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with turmeric. So if you're looking for some different ideas, some recipe ideas, meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. You can combine turmeric with basmati rice, dried fruit, garlic, lemon, pistachios, and scallions. You can combine turmeric with black pepper, lemon juice, and olive oil, or turmeric with carrots, chickpeas, cinnamon, couscous, saffron, and zucchini. Also combine turmeric with cilantro, cumin, garlic, onion, paprika, parsley, and pepper. And how about turmeric with coriander and cumin? I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.